video, and this one is very special. Not very special, it's kind of special, but there's a whole story behind that. So here it is. Obviously I haven't opened it. I should have opened it yesterday. I didn't. I was too bloody tired to make a video. I finally went on a run and I'm so unfit. I came back absolutely shattered and I thought, nope, no video today. And that's one weird thing about YouTube when you're doing sneaker unboxings. You always have to open them in front of a camera. Like, I don't think there's a time, except for when I order like a trainer, such as like a Nike Air Force One or white, I can just open them normally. Any other time, I just have to wait, set up the camera and everything, and yeah. Also, I just want to say, can everyone please like, comment, share, and the most important one, subscribe. I don't care if you don't share it, I don't care if you don't comment or like, but the subscribe is very important. But without me going on for too long, let's just get into this one. Obviously I have to rip it open like a caveman, and it felt like oh yes, it is double boxed. I was just about to say I don't think it's double boxed, but it is, and I like that. Let's just take that off. Ooh, it's my first time actually ordering from Offspring HQ community. That is, I like that. I'm definitely gonna keep that. So it's just plain everywhere else. You just got the Offspring, nice little logo, and Offspring HQ community. So you already know what this is. I'm gonna give a little background information on this. For the 2014 release, I was really into Jordans. I really wanted this pair. I couldn't afford them then. I did, however, pick up a pair of this model from a Foot Locker Boxing Day sale for really cheap, and I wore them to bits. But this pair, let's just get into it, man. This is like my first Jordan in so long, except for like Jordan 1s. So normal Jordan, we'll go for this way. You know, Air Jordan, the cement print on the box, you know, the red Jordan logo. Air Jordan 6 Carmine white, and then it says there Air Jordan 6 retro. It's got all the sizings and whatever, and it's not really stuck down, but I don't care for the box, I care for the trainers. Nice little cement print paper. Yes, Air Jordan 6 Carmine. I absolutely love this. A lot of people said they don't love this. One of the reasons I actually love it the most is Nike Air. Nike Air. So we got the white leather, the little heel padding or ankle padding or whatever you want to call it. You know, the little black bits. Red kind of nubuck material. It's nubuck. Then we've got the Jordan. It's like a kind of, I don't know what this material is. Of course, the lace locks that say Nike on them, and then a Jordan sign on the other. I believe the other ones from other on other models were actually the lace locks only had the Jordan sign on the side. I remember because I used to have a ton of 6s. So Jordan Air, well, a ton of 6s that I got cheap, so don't think I'm lying about my story. And I had a ton of 5s as well, which actually only had the lace lock with no Nike on the side as well. So yeah, so when I actually, let me just quickly tell you, when I actually started my collection in around 2012, let's say, I didn't ever pay retail for a trainer. So the retail around then was 130, 120, sometimes if you're lucky 110, like just before then. Icy blue soles. So the retail around then was quite decent. Now the retail's like over 150, 160, 175 and crazy numbers like that. So I just was buying designer trainers because I thought, what's the bloody point of spending this much on a Nike? I do understand, of course, they are classic, retro, all that crap. I shouldn't really say crap, but yeah, classic retros and stuff. So I never paid retail, so my whole collection. So I've had fire red fives with the Nikes on the back. I've had infrared sixes with the just the white infrared, the black infrared, and I've never paid retail. And they were always dead stock, brand new trainers. So now, once I've kind of got back into it, I'm kind of annoyed that I can't find steals or bargains anymore because just of the way the game is. So I really do hope that the game becomes, different. I don't want every bloody trainer that comes out to be resold. Like, these were hard to get. I had to cart for like, I had to keep clicking add to cart, add to cart, add to cart for like a good 20 minutes. I shouldn't have to do that to buy a pair of trainers I like. Yeah. And also, around the time I was collecting, or I started collecting, they had IC white soles, and then they changed them to this blue tint. The reason behind that is so they don't yellow, because the white ones just yellowed after like 2 wears. I actually, however, like the yellowing. I think it gives the shoe a bit of character. Now everyone's gonna say, "Oh, you're one of them guys." Character. I actually don't know how I'm gonna wear these. I haven't put an outfit together or anything. I am definitely gonna keep them for the summertime, and I really like them. Before I go on too much and just talk a lot of nonsense, I'm just gonna give you a quick just run around. It's got the, I believe this spoiler was because Jordan had a Ferrari at the time, or some sort of sports car, and they made like this. And this is actually quite stiff. When I had them, they were quite. That's actually when I had them. This could like bend in. Yeah. So the Nike Air on the back was one of the main reasons. There we go. Quick, clean, white leather, red nubuck, a little bit of black detailing on the front. Got the Jumpman in black, a bit different. I like this color a lot actually. That's a really nice red. And then obviously the lace locks. I don't wear lace locks. I take them off. I'm not wearing lace locks. I don't see the point in them, and I don't think they're for me because I'm not a basketballer really. So I always used to take my lace locks off, and I will be doing that again. Same on the inside with the red nubuck bits. White laces, of course, all white. And I don't really think I can recommend if you can cop them or not. Would I pay resale? No, I don't even want to pay retail. So I think that's that, guys. Just a quick one more look at the shoe. Yeah, so if you can get them for retail, do it. If you really like them, get them for resale. I wouldn't really recommend resale price, especially where I'm from in the UK. It's not like America. Like, these will probably end up in an outlet one day in America in a few months. In the UK, the outlets are very limited, and yeah, it's not really bargains in outlets, to be honest, and not really Jordans. Everyone wants Jordans. It's like the new crack or something. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Plenty more videos coming soon. Peace out.